Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm super excited to show you another subscription package sent by Walt Life. Now, Walt Life is a company that sends Disney memorabilia to your house every month. Literally, it ranges from keychains all the way down to mugs. So I'm really excited to see what they sent. Now, this here is a December package, so it does have a Christmas theme to it, which I'm kind of curious to see what's in it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so this here's our box, in which it looks like a crate. It says Walt Life, an exclusive Disney fan club. Over here it says special delivery, and you see like different kind of stickers as well. So you got like the Mad Haters over here, and you got some Lion King characters on the back, even Peter Pan over here as well. And then you have the Mona character, and then that's about it in terms of the packaging goes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so let's go ahead and hide this sheet right over here. Now that sheet kind of describes everything that it comes with, so we don't want to look at that just yet. So everything's kind of nicely laid out over here. So we do have a silver packaging. Now this silver packaging is a Disney exclusive, meaning it comes from the park itself. So it should be quite interesting to see. So let's go ahead and open this up. And check that out. We have ourselves a nice looking coaster. Alright, so this here's a coaster, and wow, this thing's got a really cool appearance to it. You got that nice etched look to it, in which you have Mickey Mouse over here, and it says never give up. And then on the back here, it's got a very nice like foam kind of cushion to it as well, in which it says Disney Parks over here, so it is an authentic piece. So very cool nonetheless. Now as we work our way through it, over here we have ourselves, looks like a little stuffed animal. So check this out, this here is a Disney Hideaway plush. In which you see Mickey Mouse over here. In the daytime it kind of works as a teddy bear, and then at night it turns to a pillow. All you have to do is just go ahead and fold it in, and voila, we have ourselves a nice looking pillow. Very cute. So let's go ahead and put that to the side. And then over here, as we work our way through, we have ourselves an adhesive patch, in which you can go ahead and keep this onto anything you want. So it's got a very cool looking embossed finish to it as well, in which you have Mickey Mouse right here. You can put it on your backpack, your clothes, even your jacket. So really neat. Definitely awesome. Alright, so the next thing we have here is a pewter keyring, in which it's got Donald Duck here in a nice metallic finish. Definitely got a good amount of weight to it. So you can definitely use this on your keys, and it makes it a really nice piece nonetheless. Really cool. And then we have ourselves a Tinkerbell snow globe. So, you know, definitely really cute, especially with the character in the back, and it says Winter Magic. Just go ahead and shake it off just like that and kind of see it all work. Really neat. And then lastly, we have ourselves the main package right over here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, look at that. It is a Christmas ornament. So we have Elsa. So you can see that she's got a very nice amount of detail. Very pretty, you know, got the glitter effect as well, and a nice looking dress. And then she's actually holding like a snowflake as well. So definitely something that'd be very nice to hang on your Christmas tree. Really cool, and definitely holds up to the authentic Disney character. And then we have ourselves a bookmark that says reading is cool, which it is. And lastly here we have a letter, in which it says if you collect all 8 Walt coins, you can actually win a trip for 2 to Disney World. So really neat. And yeah, that's about it. So in summary, you know, we have ourselves an Elsa ornament, an adhesive patch, a Mickey Hideaway plush, a Tinker snow globe, as well as a pewter keyring. Alright, well overall a magical month with a lot of great goodies. Definitely an amazing package, and thank you once again for Walt Life for sending this package to us. We greatly appreciate it, and definitely if you guys want your very own, be sure to check out the link down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.